Hi friends, my name is Miss Bailey and welcome to this week's STEAM activity. Our activity this week is going to be edible Play-Doh. Alright, let's get started. In your take-home kits, you should have a half a cup of flour and 1 cup of oats, and what you'll need from home is a half a cup of water. And I'd make sure that the water is at room temperature. Alright, so you'll want to start off by putting the flour and the oats in a big bowl. And now it's time to add our water. Now that our water is added, all you'll want to do is a spoon or something to mix together the dough. Okay, so here is what my dough is looking like. You can go ahead and play with it however you want. Since Valentine's Day is coming up, I thought it'd be best to see if I can try to create a heart. So let's see if I can make a heart out of this Play-Doh. Oh. And there's my heart. Now it is optional for you to use food coloring, so our dough has a little more character to it. But I hope you enjoyed this week's STEAM activity. Stay tuned for the next activity. Leave a comment on what type of STEAM activity you'd like to see next. Bye for now.